Open the kit and lay it out in front of you.
Close the inlet and outlet valves. Perform manual back flush.
Open the rear cover. Pull the core screen out of the filter housing. Pull the fine screen assembly with the suction scanner. Wash the screens in high pressure. Replace the bearing from the kit in front of the rotor. Replace the flushing chamber seal and lubricate. Check the screen and remove all dirt. Open the front filter cover. Insert the screen back to the filter housing. Replace the screen seal and lubricate. Check that the screen does not protrude from the filter housing. Replace the front cover seal and lubricate. Close the front cover. Insert the core screen back to the filter housing. Replace the rear cover seal, lubricate, and close the cover. Before opening the water, make sure all tubes are connected. Open the filter's inlet and outlet valves. Perform manual back flush.
Replace the controller batteries with new ones.